Oh, what's up? You clicked on the link so I don't have to say, live, laugh, love, haven't you heard? It's vlogs with Jaybird, ayy. Live, love, laugh, haven't you heard? It's vlogs with Jaybird, Jaybird, hey.
You heard, it's Jaybird back with another video. Hey Jaybirds, what it is? Oh, what's up? What's up? You clicked on the link, so I do not have to say too much. Welcome back to my channel, Jaybirds. We are at 390 subscribers and I'm trying to get to 400. Share my channel with somebody else. I like you, you like me. Why somebody else wouldn't like my channel? If you're already here, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching videos. Thank you for tuning in. I know sometimes I'm inconsistent, but I'm trying to get back to being consistent. So thank you guys for just sticking around. And I know the content is continuously changing, and the fact that you're still here, bless up. I love you. All right, next. You see by the title of the video what we're going to get into today. This is a mini unboxing, even though I kind of already opened the box, but I'm so excited because I don't know if you guys know, but let's just dig into the teeth. So lately I've been starting my own photography page and I want to turn it into my own photography business. And I'm actually trying to take pictures of people that are not necessarily models, but take pictures of nature, really take pictures of nature. I love doing that. And taking pictures of aesthetics and everything like that. I also edit photos, I edit videos, and because of YouTube, now I kind of have an idea of how to edit videos, how to transition, how to edit pictures, how to make thumbnails, how to market myself in a better way. I decided to go ahead and start my own photography page, and this is an Instagram. I will also put the Instagram page to that below in the description so you guys can follow it. And some people have been following. I got up to like 120 something subscribers in the past week. So I've been posting on that more consistently lately. But I'm so excited for this unboxing because I purchased this off of Amazon and it got here very quickly via Amazon Prime. And I'm so excited because this will help me kind of just get the ground running on my photography business and on my photography page so I can take pictures of more people. I've been taking pictures a lot of nature and like I've done the mirror challenge. I also can film music videos for people, all kinds of stuff. So I just got this package and I'm so excited to show y'all. I don't know, I'm just so excited because this will really help. Let me just, oh my God. Come on, let's go, because I'm doing too much talking. Let's go. All right, guys, so here's the box. I definitely told y'all I already opened it. I was too excited last night to kind of wait on not opening it, so I'm sorry about that. It's not a true unboxing, but it is an unboxing. And it's an honest review. This video is not sponsored. None of my videos are. So I will put in the description below the link to this item so you can actually purchase it. When you click on the link, it'll have like a video for you or pictures for you to see how it's put together. But today in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together and I'm so excited. So here are the clamps for the photography backdrop holder to hold the backdrops in. They gave me a green, a white, and black backdrop. And then it also has a bag, and I'm super excited for this because honestly guys, the fact that the poles come in the bag makes me super excited, just because when I travel and I'm gonna take pictures of people outside, or if I need to take this somewhere to do a photo shoot in a specific venue, I can literally just pack this all up in here and put it in my car and then just carry the rest. I'm gonna put the clamps in a bag too as well, so I don't have to carry too much in my bag. And this is very like, I'm holding it with one finger. This is so lightweight, which is great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stop talking and shut the heck up and put it together. And I can't wait to show you guys. Okay. tell y'all, I'm so excited that I figured out how to put that together. It does come with a whole manual, and it honestly was kind of easy to put together. And I would have to say, like, overall, it took me a good 15 to 20 minutes to put it together, which is good because if I have a photo shoot, I don't want to be moving really slow. Another thing I like is I made it very small, but it also has 2 other longer ones that can make it very, very long. It comes with these little clear slip-ons so that you can protect your equipment, and you can just put it on like this. It has little clip-ons that clip it together. That's why it's able to be horizontal. So I really like that. I'm definitely gonna keep these plastic containers. I'm not gonna throw them away. The best idea that I could show you, well, the best way for me to show you how I plan on, I guess, using this is to do like a mini photo shoot, I guess, and put the pictures in this video. That way you guys can have an understanding of what I plan on doing with this. It also has these hooks where you can just hook onto the curtain so that when you step on the curtain, it is secure. The green screen, I don't know if you guys know, but if you are like a YouTuber and everything else, the green screen is going to be helpful for like filming. So if you want to do weird things like skits or like animation, or like you want to run across the screen in front of another thing, this is what you need. You need a green screen. Even the subscribe button that I have, that's a green screen. You can literally go on YouTube and type in subscribe or notification bell, or click like a little mouse type thing on a green screen and it will come up. You can use all types of things, but I want to start creating my own to differentiate myself. So I'm super excited, and that's what it comes in. And then all the backdrops come in these really nice packages, which I'm also excited to, I'm going to keep these as well. Eventually I'll probably like have a box or like a photography bag that I'm going to purchase, but so far I'll just keep it stored in this, and it's going to be easy to put into a book bag. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a mini photo shoot so you guys have an understanding of what I'm going to be using these backdrops for. And yeah, just wish me luck. Okay, let's go.